Have you ever wondered what makes you, you? Why you have your mother's eyes or your father's laugh? The answer lies in a tiny, incredible molecule called DNA. It's the blueprint for every living thing. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's found in almost every cell in your body, safely stored in a special compartment called the nucleus. Imagine a twisted ladder. That's the shape of DNA, a design we call a double helix. The rungs of this ladder are made of 4 chemical bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, or A, G, C, and T for short. They have a simple rule for pairing up. A always connects with T, and C always connects with G. This sequence of letters forms a code, the genetic code. It contains all the instructions your body needs to grow, develop, and function. These instructions are organized into segments called genes. Each gene tells the cell how to make a specific protein, and proteins do most of the work in our cells, determining our traits like eye color and blood type. This process happens in 2 steps: transcription and translation. First, the cell makes a copy of a gene's DNA sequence into a message called RNA. This is transcription. Then, this RNA message is read by the cell's protein-making machinery, which assembles the protein piece by piece. This is translation. DNA is also how genetic information is passed down from parents to children. This is why you share traits with your family. In fact, the DNA of any 2 people is 99.9% identical. That tiny 0.1% difference is what makes each of us unique. From a simple code of 4 letters comes the vast diversity of life on Earth. DNA is the incredible instruction manual that connects us all.